Now, Perry, this is the best stuff that we have for you. It's called Yo Baby. Yo Baby. Mmm. Do we like it? Looking, deciding. Says, I've had worse. Some of those mixed vegetables you tried to feed me today. That's a lot worse than that. Oh. Yeah, that's pretty good stuff, huh? That's pretty good stuff. What do you think, Michelle?
I think so. Oh, yo, baby. Yo, I'm a baby. Oh.
Ooh, that's good stuff.
Ready for a big bite?
He says, what's Dad doing? What's Dad doing? I'm famous. I am famous. Now, Perry, this Yo Baby has no DHA, but it does have iron in it.